Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about Police Commissioner Fitz Bailey and the mediocre Anglo-Saxon guy, Mark Sheilds. I talk about this because Irish Saxon link up and talk about, yo, how come I talk about how come Fitz Bailey gone and next country gone turn come to that? How come I talk about Mark Shields did the talk about how come the Mark Shields and how come? Mind you, or at least based on the profile, we don't know, maybe a Billy Joe really download some pictures of some Negro Saxon and put it up on his page. But for all intents and purposes, it appears that this person is a quote-unquote Negro Saxon, Irish Saxon. I don't know why they were so passionate about it, but I guess the whole out of many one people and all that. So even though they're really Negro Saxons, they probably identify as Anglo-Saxons, so they take it personal when I say about Mark Shields. Let me just put this out there in case will it more on listen. Will it more on the Irish Saxons or listen. Irish Saxon, dopey bat. Let me tell you the difference between Mark Shields' situation and Fitz Bailey. Before we go into that, we have a Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to Cadian Bonfield. She tell me she listen to Look YouTuber from 2019. 2019 she tuned in. She finally joined the Patreon squad. Today I big up Cadian on her birthday. I big up her daughter too, because me say her daughter listen to Look YouTuber from she not belly. When she not belly, she get the content. Cadian, when you send them messages to me and tell me sir 2019, you listen from. You remind me say me a dinosaur. Turn a dinosaur up on YouTube now. Sometimes people link me and say, look YouTuber, you know say the first video I watch was this video. And me have to go back and search on the channel for which video name, so I don't even remember more of content now. We drop so much video, we can't even keep up. People tell me say more time they on corner reason, everybody attack. And all them are hear about a kerosene and etc. And I say, boy, I look at YouTube and they in a person, but right, influence far and wide. So it for go still. So it for go. Right. So I'm telling you, if you download the video then in case, then run me off for you walk and you still have the content so you can live on. So Cadian birthday today. Cadian, big up yourself. One more year around the sun. Wish you many more to come, and let me say, big up your daughter too. Alright, that's Cadian from the Patreon squad. I'm talking to the Irish Saxon and the other Irish Saxons out there regarding Fitz Bailey and Mark Shields' situation. This video won't be long because unless you're really slow and we talk tortoise level slow, right, you probably should get it. The difference between Mark Shields, aka mediocre Mark, right, and Fitz Bailey is that when Fitz Bailey was given commissioner in Turks and Caicos, Fitz Bailey was already there or thereabouts. Mark Shields on the other hand, mediocre Mark on the other hand, was nowhere near being ACP, nowhere near in England. If he had lived 10,000 more years, he would have not been ACP. Ask anybody about him in the London Met. Ask anybody about him in the JCF. Them call him a pisshead. A regular them have to come scrape him off of the ground. Right. Flat out on him back. That's his real legacy. The English drunk. But let's overlook the fact that this mediocre Englishman can't handle his liquor. Right, we're not hold that against him. Right. Let's ignore the fact that many times he was supposed to be on duty when I rushed the man for done, so he can run and go sit down a bar. Let's ignore all of that. Let's ignore the fact that mediocre Mark and people like him run go Iron Man because them know say in an Iron Man them a quote unquote smarty and they can find one fibber who worship the very ground of them walk on. Let's get into the video. Fitz Bailey, Irish Saxon guy, was there or thereabouts. In the JCF, he was already hovering around the top of the food chain. There were whole heap of police officers, right, who were hovering around the top spot. The current commissioner is more than qualified for the job we him get. Some people want Fitz Bailey get it, but that's mainly because them know Fitz Bailey because he's more popular. He's always up on TV, at the press conference and interviews and things. So he's more familiar. But when contrary to popular belief, Jamaica don't just have one good police or two good police. There were several people who were qualified, right, and more than capable of becoming police commissioner. The man who get it now was one of them. Fitz Bailey could have get it, he ended up getting it at Turks and Caicos. Fitz Bailey's situation is nothing like mediocre Mark Shields' situation, because Mark Shields was a mediocre Englishman. Mark Shields was never there or thereabouts in the London Metropolitan Police. He was never there or thereabouts, right, in a Scotland Yard, much less the backyard, much less the living room. He wasn't even thereabout in the Scotland kitchen. The only reason that mediocre Englishman have any kind of reputation wasn't because of anything he achieved in the JCF. It's because the world knows that when time them see somebody like Mark Shields, Irish Saxons are automatically feel like say, they're in front of greatness. And they're not. There is no way England would ever send them best police to Jamaica for no amount of money, guy. There is no way Barcelona would ever send Messi and Busquets go anywhere. Them could have been the best of friends. No other club can get them type of man there. They must stay right in Barcelona and play ball. Mark Shields was a mediocre Englishman. In his homeland, nobody to write home about. This idea that Mark Shields was some kind of world-renowned legendary cop is unicorn meat. He was either going to be the top of Ironman or our next island somewhere. Him going to Turks and Caicos is fair game. Him going to Turks and Caicos, he's more than qualified for that. If anything, he's overqualified for that. No offense to Turks and Caicos. But that's how it works. You see, a Negro has to be excellent. I'm telling you this already now. A Negro has to be excellent to get something where a mediocre Billy Joe can get. Mark Shields is a mediocre. When he walks into a room in Jamaica, it's only because the little fool Irish Saxon them frightened. There's nothing in his track record in JCF that justifies the level of quote-unquote ratings that Mark Shields get. When Mark Shields go to interviews and state anything will come out of his mouth, any school picnic in any high school in Jamaica can tell you the same thing. But for some reason, his words are amplified and celebrated. That's how Irish Saxons are. Vile. Frightened fool dopey butt. That's why mediocre guy from Colorado and Winnipeg and Gungungun and London and Birmingham and them place there run go Ironman. Because them realize if I stay here, I will live and die. Just like a grain of sand on a beach. But if I head to Ironman, then better days are ahead. People are link me that tell me about the Irish Saxon and them Moby and them place in Nigville. Right, oh, when time certain people walk in the business place, so them so friendly and nice. Every time you walk in, they go spend the same money and go and like say you're competitive sitting. Mediocre Mark can't be compared to Fitz Bailey. One of them was already at the top of the food chain. He was either going to go all the way in JCF or one next police force. The only thing the other one was legendary for was being a notorious alcoholic. Get some help, mediocre Mark. Stop trying to drown your sorrows. What kind of life and fever of the minute of your drown sorrows? The guy's an embarrassment. Ask about him. Don't take my word for it, because I'm not going to say me a fight against him, because I'm saying look at you, but content are rubbish. The platform when I'm going to sit down on and say look at YouTube are rubbish. Them Irish Saxon there, sister no fighting them out talk about come to pass afterwards. The questions them ask them can steal for themselves. But the words of their white daddy is so precious that them ask man question then can see for them own two self. Next time when they bring him back on the platform, ask him these words. White daddy, what do you think about this? Like how Lukuchuba said this and then when him said that now, you see this go on and this actually come true. What do you think about that now? Okay, this is rubbish first time. These Irish Saxons are vile. As I'm telling you, their ratings come like the Zimbabwe dollar. So to answer your question, Irish Saxon, but how come you talk about Mark Shields left and go to Jamaica? When you talk about Fitz Bailey, how come Ingel for go Turks and Caicos? Because he's more than qualified, dopey bat. That's why. Mark Shields wasn't. Mark Shields jumped about 7 places over where he belonged to become quote-unquote assistant commissioner in Jamaica. Mark Shields jumped over at least 50 people. At least 50 people who were way more competent and way more deserving than him. And even after him little Mickey Mouse project failed, he still held in high regard. He left and go start business woman give man advice on crime. Ask about him, the man. Don't take my word for it. Or some private security company will hire Mark Sheilds. People can tell about him. Dopey bot. But him know say, in a Jamaica, every room him walk in, the Irish Saxon chip will be activated in them little Negro Saxon head there. And they will fall in line and know them place. Just like Thomas Tisselwood said. When he was laying up with Fibber. While in that tower trying to do much thing too much black man and black woman, he still was laying next to a Fibber. That shows that even the most vile and notorious white supremacists can still lay down a black woman. So don't tell me nothing. But no, yeah, but you can't say that because his wife black. I don't care she black like a car tire. This dopey bat was no in place. This Anglo-Saxon dopey bat is a guest in Ireland, but only make people feel like to them a man a yard. That's the difference with you, Saxon guy. When you go America, when you go Canada, when you go England, when you go Cayman, when you go wherever, when you go France, Germany, they make it clear. So you're a guest yourself. But when such man and such people drop in the Ireland, only make them feel like man a yard. No one a friendship from the Irish Saxon. So that's the answer, guy. Mark Sheilds cannot be compared to Fitz Bailey or any of the high-ranking Jamaican police officer. Any mediocre, washed up, pop-down Englishman can drop an Ironman and get top position. Anytime England or America done with somebody and they don't have no more use to them, Jamaica run go snatch them up. Jamaicans love foreign pupina. Oh, you said the man over there, sir, you realize that him can't help you and him not good enough for you, but, well, give him, because he good enough for me then. You people have no standards. Vile and pathetic. Hit the dislike button. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.